Hi everybody, it's Saj here. I'm super excited to be here and I hope you are too. So today we are going to be making 3D fruits. And I've got lots of fruits here to give you some inspiration if you're stuck for ideas on what to do. And these are some examples I have here of the ones I made earlier. So I've got my version of a strawberry. A pear, a lime, and an apple. So these are just some of the ones that I did. So as I say, I've got lots of fruit here. If you're stuck on ideas, you could just have a look at the ones I've got to give you some inspiration. And we will start. So to make our 3D shapes, I'm going to show you some of the materials that we could use. The first thing is paper. So I've got standard paper that I'm sure you probably have at home. So just simple printing paper like this. It could be plain or you can use coloured paper as well, like here. Just an example there for you. Okay. And to decorate, you're going to use a number of things depending on what you have at home. So for example, you might want to use colouring pencils like these, or some felt tip pens. Selection here, some crayons like these, and also you might want to use collage materials as well, so you might want to do some sticking down, which is absolutely fine. So if you've got recycling bright coloured materials at home, like I've got some here, you could use some of these, or some coloured tissue paper. Here. And just some more colour paper as well along here. And in terms of sticking and joining, you need some scissors for cutting out your fruit shapes, and some glue for sticking down. There we are. And also a pencil which you'll need to draw out your fruit shape in the very beginning. So I'm going to start off by doing a strawberry, so a bit like the one I've got here, okay? So the first thing is, so we're going to fold the paper over once, and then once more. I'm going to repeat that with another piece of paper. And then what we're going to do is, we're going to fold this piece of paper like this. And then here, you're going to draw half a fruit. So I said I'm going to use, think of the strawberry first of all. So I'm not going to draw the whole strawberry here, just the half. Like that. And I'm going to cut that out. Here, and we'll do the same for this piece of paper. And then I'm going to use one of these as the template. I'm going to fold it over. I'm going to draw around it. And there we have our 8 cut out strawberry shapes. So now we've got all our shapes ready and we're going to stick them together to make our 3D strawberry shape. Okay, so grab your glue stick. What you need to do is fold this over like that and glue on this side. And then grab your next shape and then you're going to place it on top to stick it down. And then repeat that again. Fold that over. Glue again. Fold it over, stick it on top. Next one. And again. Fold that down like that again. Some more glue. Fold that over. Place it on top. Glue again. That's the final shapes. Fold that over. So I'm going to show you how it will look when we glue the last 2 sections. Like that, you see? And there we go, like that. And there we have our 3D strawberry. So now we're going to decorate our strawberry and we're going to use this brightly coloured recycling package and I'm going to cut out tiny little shapes to create seeds and I'm going to stick them on our strawberry. So you can cut it out however you like. I'm just going to do strips and just cut random shapes. Don't forget to get a grown-up to help you. So now we've got our seeds, we're going to stick them onto our strawberry. So just randomly place them wherever you like. I've just used some of this green recycling paper to cut out leaf shapes to decorate the top of my strawberry. And here we are. Here's my finished strawberry. So everybody, I have my little helper here, Zane. Say hi. So today, Zane, we are going to make 3D fruits and
watermelon.
Yay! We're going to do watermelon. So what we need to do first of all, we are going to use a green paper.
So you can fold it?
That's right. So, do you want to fold it in half?
Yes.
Do you want to go? Alright, shall I show you? You can maybe do the next one.
Okay, that's enough. That's good.
Like that. And then
cut it.
Not yet. Look, we're going to fold it again. And then we have to get another piece of green paper.
Okay.
Do you want to do that one? Can you remember how I did it? That's right. That's it.
Yeah.
Press it all the way down first. Make sure you got it all the way down, all the creases. And one more time. Okay, so that's yours. So now what we're going to do next, we are going to make a semicircle shape. So we're going to draw a line first of all, and then we're going to cut it out. So, that's a big semicircle, isn't it? Okay. Now do you want to cut it out? That's all right, you just try. I can finish it for you if you're not sure. Just make sure you watch your fingers, okay? You can always get the grown-ups to do this bit if you're not sure. Shall I help you? Shall I hold it there for you?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, excellent. So what we're going to do next, because we need to do the same for this one.
I'll do
The
that.
best thing to do is first, if you put this down here, because you've already cut it out, haven't you?
Oh, yeah.
Do you think you can try and draw an outline, trace around the side? That way we'll make sure we have... That's all right, we can cut that bit. Perfect. I might just go over there a little bit. That was a really good job, isn't it? There you are. And then, do you want to cut that out? Do you want to try? That's right. Fantastic. Okay, so shall we see what you've got here? How many have we got? So we've got one.
One and two and there's 3 and 4. I think 3.
There's 4, isn't there?
I think, yeah.
There's 4. Now, when you think of a watermelon, what goes inside? What colour is it inside? It's red, isn't it?
Now Mummy is gonna cut 4 red circles to go in our watermelon.
So to make the red circle, it's going to be actually smaller than the green one. So the way I'm going to do that is, I'm going to just get the green watermelon shape, put it on top of the red one, and I'm going to draw a line first of all.
That's a good line.
That's a good line. And then this is going to be smaller, so I'm going to just do a smaller line inside. It's just to help me so I know how small to make it. Like that.
That's too
Okay.
small.
And then I'm going to cut out that line. Yeah.
That's too big. You'll get the whole thing.
I think it should be alright. Do you want to do the outline of the next one for me? Yeah? And I'll cut it out.
Try, not that one.
Okay. So you've got to do a line around there for me. If I just hold it. Do you want to do it? Okay.
I need that line.
You want to be the director and tell me. Yeah? Cut this out. Alright, make sure you do it along the line. That's it.
Quite good.
Yeah, I think you're doing a good job there. Try your best to get it on the line. Okay?
That's almost on the line.
That's alright. A bit more. Nearly done, eh? Perfect. What we're going to do now, Zane, I'm going to place the red circle on here. I'm going to stick it down. But can you see how it's starting to look a bit like a watermelon? So would you like to put some glue
Of course I will.
on here for me?
I'll do it everywhere. I'm going to start with the little two spiral.
Perfect. Just a bit more around the edges. Okay. Perfect. Well done, Zane. There we go. So we've got 3 more to do. Are you okay to do that?
Spiral, 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 and spiral, and a big heart.
So now we're going to stick them all together like we did with the strawberries. So we're going to glue one side and then stick the next piece on top. So Zane, would you like to put some glue just along here and there for me? So we're going to stick it on top. And you do the glue for me, Zane. Stop. Perfect. So we're going to put some glue on here, and then what happens, Zane? Before we do that, I'm just going to show you. Cool. Yeah?
I think I can handle that.
So go on, then you put some glue on there. I'll hold it down for you. That's perfect.
A little D.
And then do a line at the top, that's it. I think that's great. Look at that.
Yeah.
How's that look?
Hello?
Okay, so I'm going to start off first of all. So I'm going to get the marker pen and I'm going to draw some seeds first of all, and then you can copy the rest. How's that sound? Is that in there? There we are. Right, is that finished?
Yeah.
So that- Oh, cool. Look at that, Zane.
Quite good.
Is it quite good? I think it was lovely.
There's one more thing.
One more thing. Okay,
On 4 or
what do you need to do?
a big.
Right, his has got a heart in the middle.
This is my 3D watermelon.
There you go. I'll put them with the rest of the fruit.